Hi guys, hope you're all having a good day. Sun's shining, it's glorious out still, but I am stuck indoors today because I am doing tiling. I decided that I would get cracking on with some tiles. Gonna go for that kind of nice brick style. I'm doing it for me mum, but yeah, you probably noticed I've got a hat on today. Trying to protect the hair system, so yeah, chucked a hat on as you can see. One thing I do like about it that you might have noticed, some people, I'm a little bit particular with it, but yeah, got the hair system out the front of the hat. It's you know, one of these things that before I had this hair system I couldn't do anymore because I had the receding hairline and it was a bit bald. I didn't want to kind of show that off really, so I used to just wear my hats forwards. But yeah, if you still want to wear a hat, you can still wear them with these hair systems. It doesn't ruin them, it pushes it down a little bit, but then the great thing about it, you just run your hairs through it and you know, kind of like just, you know, kind of get it back to you know, a certain style that you like. But yeah, wearing hats is fine. I've worn them a few times. I like the way that hats look. I wore hats before I had the hair system, and I will continue to do so. But yeah, I've never been kind of brave enough to have a hat backwards. I mean, some people like that style. It's more coming into fashion now. People wear it. You know, it's a good look. It's always been something that I've always, you know, been slightly envious of, seeing somebody with a bit of hair poking out the front. You know, it's just the little details, all these little details that I suppose you don't really look at, and especially with like tradesmen and stuff, because I have a trade background. You know, going back, I used to do tiling, hence why I'm doing this now. So yeah, if you're worried about putting a hair on throughout the day, you can still do it. There are certain things that you can put inside hats as well. I came across a silk skull cap. So if you did want to protect your hair system a bit more, you could put one of those underneath it and yeah, protect it. But yeah, I'm going to crack on anyway because otherwise I'm going to get the old deer come out and have a pop at me. But yeah, you all take care and have a good day. Bye bye.